السلام علیکم students. I'm sure you're all fine. Today open your English reading book, Jolly Phonics, and the page number is 30. Read and underline the AR words. इन words को read करना है और AR words को आपने underline करना है. First line है I, HAV he have, TWO2, ARMS arms, I have 2 arms. आपके भी 2 बाजू है ना, आर्म्स बोलते हैं बाजू को. I have 2 arms. SH she, IS is, GOING going, TO2, TH the, PAR के park. She is going to the park. Well done. आज के लिए 2 lines हैं. Now open your workbook page number 72 and 73. Read the given story and underline the short I words. Short I words को आपने underline भी करना है. TIM Tim, GOT got, SICK sick. Tim got sick. TIM Tim, GOT got, SICK sick. Sick को underline करेंगे. He did not feel well. Did को underline करेंगे आप. He was very ill. Ill को underline करेंगे. His big sister is a nurse. Big, his sister. इन सब को अंडरलाइन करेंगे क्योंकि ये शॉर्ट आई साउंड दे रहे हैं. His sister says Tim will get better if he takes his vitamins. He drinks some milk. He rests and stays inside. Here we underline his sister will if his vitamins, drinks milk inside. Okay, let's answer these questions. Who got sick? कौन sick था? Tim. Here we write Tim. Who is a nurse? Nurse कौन थी? His big sister. Here we write sister. How can Tim gets better? Tim better कैसे होगा? He takes his tablets या vitamins? Vitamins. Vitamins को टिक करेंगे. He drinks milk या water? Milk. He rests and stay inside या outside? Inside. Inside को टिक करेंगे. Come to the next page. Make sentences. Sentences बनाने आपने. BIG big. My bag is big. WIN win. I win the game. Trip. I go to trip. SWIM swim. I like to swim. SHIP ship. I like sheep. आपको भी sheep पसंद है ना? Chin. CHIN chin. My chin is small. आपके भी chin small सी है ना? My chin is small. Well done. Goodbye.